So we've had a bunch of questions about how does this tub drain. So I'm going to show you this little drain back here. See that long skinny thing there? That goes all the way back behind the tub, clear back to the faucet. And so when you go to drain this tub, you literally see the water starting to come down here. You can see it coming out. Tub is going down. Crazy process. There's a little that comes out around here. You can see him back here in the corner. Literally, that's just how it works. It all goes down in that linear drain right there. The tub just drains onto the floor, and then this floor is sloped back towards this wall right here. There's nothing complicated about it. This tub came from Amazon. There is hoses and all that stuff that comes with it, but you just don't need it. We did put a little bit of foam in around the tub so that the tub would hold heat a little bit better. That's literally the only thing we did, and we set it in here. So if I want a new tub at some point, I'll just pick this one up and take it outside, pick the new one up and bring it back in. Completely movable. You can see the water's almost gone. You can see how it's drained down. There's hardly any left here. It's draining basically straight into it now. The only time you get a big rush of water is when you first open up the drain, and then it comes all the way down. But most of the time it just drains straight down. And as you can see, guess what? Tub's drained. Really simple. Have a great day, guys.